children, hope you all learned to read the short vowel I words and to write these words in the four line. Today we are going to do some activities based on these words. Parents, your supervision is very much required while your child does the worksheet activities. This is the first worksheet activity, worksheet number 43. The first question is, read the word and write in the given box. Then circle the picture that matches the word. Children, first you have to read all the words and then write the same word in the second box, and from the third box you have to circle the picture that matches the word. Children, let's read the first word, pin. P-in, pin. Now write the word pin in the second box, and in the third box there are two pictures given from which you have to identify the picture of a pin and circle it. You can see this picture. Where is the picture of a pin? Yes, this. You have to circle it. Do the rest in the same manner. The second question is, match the word to the picture. Here you can see the words on one side and the picture on the other side. Children, you have to read the words first and match to the picture with a pencil. This is the next worksheet activity, worksheet number 44. And the first question is, say the name of the picture and circle the correct CBC words. You have to first identify the picture and say the name. Then read out the words given below and circle the correct word that matches the picture. Let's look at the first picture. Can you identify the picture? Yes, lid. Now let's read the words given below. L, ip, lip. L, it, lid. Can you say which matches lid? Yes. Now you have to circle lid. Likewise, you have to do the rest. The second question is, spot and give the appropriate color to the words ending with ip and in. For in words, you have to give green color, and for ip words, you have to give yellow color. There are some words given below. You have to find the words that ends with in and color it in green. Then find the words that ends with ip and color it in yellow color. The third question is, for each picture, say the word, connect the letters to build the words and then write it. Children, you have to say the words for each picture and then connect the letter which makes the word, and you have to finally write the word in the four line. Let's read the first word. Can you say the word for this picture? Yes, hip. Now you have to connect the letters that makes the word I, P, hip, and you have to write hip in the four line. Likewise, continue the rest of the words. This is the next worksheet activity, worksheet number 45. The first question is, fill in the blanks with the correct words. Parents, please read out the sentences to your child. Children, you have to fill in the blanks with the correct word. Pictures are given against each blank to help you out. The second question is, find the hidden words from the box. The words go from left to right or from top to bottom. Children, listen carefully. Here you have a few words and here you have a box of letters. First you have to read the word and then search and mark for the word from this box. The word will be written in a pattern either from left to right or from top to bottom. The third question is, look at the picture and write the name. This is the next activity. The worksheet number is number 46. The first question is complete the crossword puzzle. This is a word game where you can see pictures and square boxes. You have to fill in the square boxes with the letters to form the word for a given picture. The words will be written in a pattern either from left to right or from top to bottom. The next question is write 2 words for. Children, you have to write 2 words each that ends with id, ig, in, ip and it. The third question is draw the picture for the following. Here you have 2 words given. You have to read the words and draw a picture for the word. Children, you should learn to write all the 3-letter words and practice reading activity using phonic sounds every day. See you in the next class. Bye.